Hey there, you little rats. Hey, I got this thing. So apparently this just translates to I am alive. This is pretty cool, right? Uh, they may have said don't touch the stomach cavity, but that's a lie. No, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a crime spot for poking. Very curious. Just look at this thing. Just a form little nugget guy. Yeah, he's a little nugget. I don't see any legs on him. First, I just did it backwards. Oops. Oh boy. You can also boil him if you want to. Just kidding, please don't boil him.